actually missed this. I didn't get to watch it. I joined a bit late.
Ready for all that you will do.
Oh, I'm guessing that's her. Yeah.
Your time will come, Diana. And everything will be different.
Yo, is she riding lightning? Did she just ride lightning with her lasso? I know she didn't just ride lightning, bro. What the freak?
I'm here to change your life.
Anything you want. Anything you dream of, you can have.
Who's the new villain? Who's the new villain?
You look like you saw a ghost.
Yeah, we know who you are.
Diana,
Just
lucky you. It's like not one day has passed.
I don't want to be like anyone. I want to be an
who's the new
apex
villain, bro?
predator. You've always had everything, while people like me have had nothing.
yeah, I'm okay.
Well, now it's my turn. Get used to it.
Yo, she just went through Diana's what do you call this? Her bracelets. Wait, is that no? Is that Cheetah? Because she's blonde and she's wearing the leopard print. No, that's not Cheetah. Cheetah's.
They will never find us.
I forgot to tell you.
What?
Radar.
Will they shoot at us?
Oh, that's Cheetah. I knew it. That's Cheetah, bro. Let's go.
You know, I'm not so keen on this one. I figure you are, but you know what? I'm ready to go.
I think we can do better.
Parachute pants?
Yeah,
Does everybody
Oh, he looks
parachute?
so bad, right? Let's go. I knew it was Cheetah. I knew it. They did kind of tease it really hard with the blonde hair and the leopard print, but so much happened in that trailer just then. I saw Cheetah grab the lasso. I saw Wonder Woman riding lightning. She rode, I don't even you can call it, she sort of Tarzan it. Like, wow. Oh. Wow. I'm gonna start nerding out. Let me shut up. Next clip.